Good afternoon, everyone. It is with great enthusiasm that I introduce to you the Realme Neo7x, a smartphone that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with user-centric design. The Neo7x stands as a testament to Realme's commitment to delivering high-performance devices that cater to the diverse needs of modern users' design and display. The Realme Neo7x boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, measuring 163.2 by 75.7 by 8 mm and weighing just 194 grams. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it comfortable to hold and use. The device features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, offering vibrant visuals and sharp details. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2000 nits, the screen ensures smooth scrolling and clear visibility even under direct sunlight. The inclusion of HDR support enhances the viewing experience, making it ideal for multimedia consumption. Performance. At the heart of the Neo7x lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, built on a 4nm process. Its octa-core CPU configuration includes a high-performance Cortex A720 core clocked at 2.3 GHz, ensuring efficient multitasking and responsive performance. The Adreno GPU complements the CPU, delivering smooth graphics rendering for gaming and other intensive applications. Memory and storage. Understanding the need for ample memory and storage, the Neo7x offers configurations of 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, facilitating seamless multitasking. Storage options range from 128 GB to 512 GB, providing generous space for apps, media, and documents. However, it's important to note that the device does not include a card slot for expandable storage. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Neo7x's camera system. The rear houses a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 aperture, capable of capturing detailed and vibrant images. Features such as LED flash, HDR, and panorama mode enhance the versatility of the camera. For video recording, the device supports 4K resolution at 30 frames per second and 1080p at up to 120 frames per second, with Euro EIS ensuring stable footage. On the front, a 16-megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture caters to selfies and video calls, supporting 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. Battery and charging. Powering the Neo7x is a robust 6000 mAh battery, designed to support extended usage without frequent recharging. The device supports 45W wired fast charging, capable of reaching 50% charge in just 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. Durability and additional features. Durability is a standout feature of the Neo7x. It boasts IP68 and IP69 ratings, making it dust-tight and water-resistant against high-pressure water jets and submersion up to 2.5 meters for 30 minutes. This ruggedness ensures reliability in various environmental conditions. The device also includes stereo speakers with high-res audio certification, providing an immersive sound experience. Connectivity options encompass 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. Security features include an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, enhancing both convenience and safety. Pricing and availability. The Realme Neo7x is available in elegant gray and white color options. Pricing starts at approximately €170, offering exceptional value given its array of features and capabilities. Conclusion. The Realme Neo7x encapsulates the essence of innovation and user-focused design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone seeking a reliable and feature-rich smartphone, the Neo7x is poised to exceed expectations and redefine your mobile experience. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.